ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy. We have been looking for the breakout of 3170. And even if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here exactly here, we mentioned if we get any correction, then from there we take the trade. All right. And there was opportunity to look for buy from here. Anyway, based on higher time frame, the first target we have been looking for was 3280. As we can see, the price broke, and the second target we have been looking for was 3430. And even for the second target tag, and the prices start to correct. No one see what's the next. All right. And now we expecting to see the deeper correction. And one thing we need to know that if we put desktop and relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we have a divergence, both of the indicators. All right. That's why from now we need to be quite careful for those traders if they want to keep the trade, and even if you want to look for next trade. First things for those traders is because we have been looking for buy within this range, and since the price was from here, and for those traders, they get the if they get the trade and still they keep the trade, at least they need to move their stop loss somewhere below this correction, somewhere around 3250. All right. That means they need to book this profit if they want to keep the trade for long term. No one see what's the next. We don't need this line anymore. And what we suggest that we adjust this line somewhere around here, somewhere around 3475. This is what we prefer, 3475. And now the only thing is we need to see whether the price is going to break 3475 or not. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. And if we move to daily chart, again, we have been looking for the reversal and as a short move, and exactly this is what we get. And the only thing is that we prefer to get the deeper correction based on higher time frame for continuation, because the next level and most important, we're looking for to see the breakout of the 3.7K, which is the previous top. We need to see the breakout of that to confirm we break this correction. And after that, we need to look for 4K. All right. Now, first things for those traders, they get the trade for buy as what we have been looking for. They need to book some profit. And if we move to forward chart, as I mentioned, we can look for buy, but we prefer the price consolidate here for longer time. It can give us better confirmation for continuation. But at this point, we have nothing else to discuss. The only thing is we need to see whether the price is going to take 3.7K or not. That means still we can look for continuation, which is the previous top. Okay. And rather than that, whether we should look for buy or not at this point, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is we need to be we need to watch out that we have a divergence. That's why we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time. And this is the best if the price consolidate here for longer time. It can give us a better confirmation for continuation. All right. Now, how we can look for buy from here? Can we put our entry above the stop? Yes, but we should is very risky, because we should know that in case the price continue from here as a sharp move, similar to what we get here, we can put our entry above here, but we should know that we once the price sharply break and continue with the price tag, which is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. All right. And how deep this one can go, simply we can put our fib here, and we just from there we can look for the levels. All right. And even we simply from what we can see here, we can expect the price even drop to 3.3. Whether we should look for sell at this point, I'm not really interested to look for sell. I'm more interested to look for buy. The only times if the price can give us a correction for move up, rejection, maybe then from there we consider to look for sell. When if we want to look for sell, if we get the rejection, we see the price is not going, and it gives us a confirmation that the price is going to drop at least retest 3.1K, then maybe we take the sell. But at this point, as I say, I'm not really interested to look for sell. The only thing is I want to see the deeper correction to look for buy. All right. Why deeper correction? Because if the price consolidate here for longer time, it can give us better confirmation for continuation, and it can give us better opportunity to look for buy rather than we put our entry above here. But if this is the only correction and we are going to look for the internal flat, then yes, we can put our entry above here. But we should know how risky is that. Anyway, now we're looking for continuation. We want to see whether the price can, but with the breakout of 3475, whether the price can take 3.7K or not. And second things, we need to protect our profit within this range. At least book some profit. Anyway, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.